Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken stock with chicken feet using an easy method. First, ensure your chicken feet are super clean. Give them a good rinse under cold water, then trim off any nails or tough, discolored skin. Next, we'll blanch them quickly. Drop the cleaned feet into boiling water for about 5 minutes, then drain and rinse again. This step helps remove any remaining impurities and ensures a clear, flavorful stock. Now let's build that rich flavor. Place your blanched chicken feet into a large pot. Add your favorite aromatics like carrots, celery, and onions, roughly chopped. Pour in enough cold water to completely cover everything by about 2 inches. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook slowly for at least 4 hours, or even longer for a deeper taste, skimming any foam that rises. Once your stock has simmered to perfection, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard all the solids the feet and vegetables have given all their goodness. Now, let the stock cool down completely at room temperature before refrigerating or freezing. This prevents bacterial growth and keeps your stock safe. After your stock is fully cooled, transfer it into airtight containers. You can refrigerate it for up to 5 days, perfect for immediate use in soups or sauces. For longer storage, freeze it in smaller portions. It will keep well for several months. This homemade stock adds incredible depth to any dish. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a game changer for keeping your kitchen spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.